slip. Tomahawk, 1986. I don't know, I haven't really looked at it since it got all dried up. Yeah, I got some fingerprints in there, but I was trying to goop up some of that water. Yeah, it's alright. About my plate. They'll soak it up slowly. I want them to dry slow. Anywho, I was like, I might as well start throwing some parts in it. You cleaned up pretty good though. I don't know how you're supposed to get your finger in there. Yeah, this way. Yeah. Yeah, there. Snappies. There. There's one part thingy. I'm gonna put this in. I don't want landing gear underneath it. I don't want the landing gear to fold up on me. I need this piece. It locks in. If that part's broke off and that nipple's broke off, it'll just sit there. It won't spin. Hey, Lucy, but I ain't gonna. That's about as good as it's gonna get. Check this stuff before I start throwing it in. Part. Let's see. I don't know if I want to throw. I want to put the seats in first, because you gotta shove your finger in there. That shit is lower. You can see what I was doing. I don't want the camera falling. Camera falling. Camera 2. Something like that. Hey, there you go. Bit 1. Then front. It's reverse facing. I'm gonna put him in. They have these pegs for the Joes. You can push their back in them, but then you have their accessories and their backpacks, and it's like, that's how that stuff gets lost, because you gotta take it out to put them in their vehicles. Then you're gonna forget what they go to, who they go to, whatever. There's them seats in. Got 3 in. See that? Guns. I know I got the guns. Got the guns. Got the guns. It says a lot of this stuff. All these parts. This stuff is universal. It doesn't matter which side they go on. Like the rear landing gear, you can turn it. Yeah, and like those seats, there's 5 of them, so they're all exactly the same. Those guns, there's 2. They're the same. Like the missiles, there's like 2 different kinds, and there's 6 of one and 2 of the other. Because 3 small ones on one wing, 3 small ones on the other wing, then the 2 big ones go here. But it's already looking good. Throwing some meat on it. I was gonna throw the engine. Yeah, this is the right side. So this is a new part for this vehicle. That was tight too. Good. That was tight. Listen. It's like, yeah, 4. See how they're staggered? Like these. So that it just, the geometry like locks it in place, you know. Mary Poppins is on. I watched Cheat Cheat Bang Bang not too long ago for like the first time. And then what? That's the original. The original. I'll put these covers on. Mary Poppins. Yeah, I got both. Let's see. See, there's the right. The right and the left. Right, left. Exactly. Locks in place pretty good. This one, other stuff on this one is in better shape than the one I got. Uh-oh. This rear one's gonna be tight. Yeah, I snapped in really tight in the covers. The star. So that's looking good. I mean, one of the big purchases, if you want to go the original propellers. And then there's the canopy glass. That's one big piece. It's expensive. Okay, I got these covers. I'm pretty sure. Oh, I'm missing this front cover. I need it. I forgot about it. I thought these were it. But you need these. They kind of work together. Yeah, there's one side. I'll take a better look at it here in a minute. I'm pretty sure you have to take these off to put that one on. But for demonstration purposes, I'll just go ahead. Yeah, see. That's how these pegs get broke off. You gotta lock the bottom in, and then hinge it, the clips here. So yeah. I got a few more yet. Let's see. Now how I want to hold it. Guess I'll just kind of hold it. Yeah, there's this part, then there's a rod, and then there's a cap on the minigun. Take a look at that better. The winchy slides in from the back. Locks in. Then I might as well, while I'm under here, the front landing gear. Oh, that's legit. Okay. Yeah, there's the click. Last little click. Oh, BKB, pop these in without breaking them. There. She just kind of rocked into place. I put the two in and then just kind of give her a scooch. And then, yeah, the holes are oversized to help a guy. Yeah, there. So that kind of just scooch and walk in. Yeah, I know you couldn't see that, but I need to see what I was doing. So. And then, last part. I've only got one fin for now. There is a right and a left, and this would be the left. And it has an L underneath it, so you push it in, the big holes, and then you gotta push it forward. You gotta get the line up right. It's annoying. There. And you just push it back. Locked it. There you go. I'll show this side since it has more parts on it. That's for now. So these clips are good. Now I don't know if polystyrene will work on these or not. But like I said, I gotta take it back off anyhow for this cover. That ain't going nowhere though. It's wobbly, but I can't really help that because the two halves are kind of coming apart. I don't know, maybe you can wrap PTFE tape around it. I might have to look into that. See if I can do something with that, but it'll ride for now. yeah, cool. I'm glad I paid less and got the one with more parts. But we'll see what's coming in the next few days. I really like the texture. It's like it's not like this is like really shiny, smooth, shiny, but all this overspray gives the whole thing a little. If you can hear that. Machiny. Pretty sure they're all 86 parts. There was a re-release, but it's like completely different. The rotors fold in. It's like different. I think whoever sprayed this is like does like the Castle Grayskulls or just whatever they feel like on the day. They're probably all different, so you know. You didn't even get up. You can see the overspray. Even so, I'm sure there wasn't even a mold. So it's all overspray along there. Like there probably wasn't even. There might have been a stencil, but they probably held it like 3 feet away. You know, just kind of went. You know, good enough. But 1986 JoJo Tomahawk. I need that cover. Alright, well, I need a lot of things, but we'll see what else we get. Come up across, like right now, I got, what, 25 bucks in it? But we'll have to put a little more in it. Well, right here is about 25 bucks. I already had parts. So that cost was already been distributed across 3 other tomahawks, 2 other tomahawks. So this one was basically, yeah, those parts were basically free. Like I said, is giving these parts a 3rd, 4th, 5th life. We'll get some more. Keep going with it. Pretty good. I don't think there's anything obviously missing. The nose is intact. That was like the second project I got. It had this nose was shattered, you know, because you know a kid was like in the backyard throwing a Tom Brady, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, got that clipped in. Or Brett Favre, I don't know, who was it in the 60s, 80s? Troy Aikman, I don't know. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming. Like I said, this is part 3. Check out part 1 if you didn't see it, to see how the whole thing started. And I'll throw this back in the box here and just keep rocking and rolling. Thank you. Later.